Keep moving forward. In a peaceful European town lived a young man named Adrian, who once dreamed of becoming a musician. But after many failed attempts, he felt lost and hopeless. Every rejection hurt deeply, and he started to believe his dream might never come true. One afternoon, an old violinist named Marta heard Adrian playing alone near the train station. She smiled and said, "You have a gift. Don't stop now. The road may be hard, but music needs your heart." Her kind words lit a spark inside him once more. Adrian practiced harder than ever, performing in cafes, parks, and small gatherings. Though few people noticed at first, he didn't quit. Slowly, his confidence grew, and his passion returned stronger than before. Each note he played carried hope, courage, and belief in progress. Years later, Adrian stood on stage at a grand concert, remembering every struggle that brought him there. He realized true success isn't about speed, it's about persistence. No matter how slow you go, what matters most is that you keep moving forward.